Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 17th June 2025. Economic Outlook. Rural growth stable. Agriculture grew 4.6% in FY25, expected to aid FY26 GDP. CAD risk rises. Crude at $75 per barrel may widen FY26 CAD to 1.7% of GDP. Urban demand aid. Tax relief, rate cuts, CPI at 2.82% to spur urban spending. Legal developments. ED charges Lalu. ED pushes framing charges into laundering cases involving Lalu Yadav. NCLT probe power. NCLAT confirms NCLT can initiate probes under IBC using Companies Act. Banking and finance. RBI cuts rates. Repo rate down to 5.5%, CPI inflation at 2.82% boosts policy space. CRR cut maintained. RBI to balance liquidity, inflation and asset prices with caution. Rupee steady at 86. RBI intervention helps rupee close flat despite global volatility. Savings shift trends. More funds moving from FDs to stocks and MFs, says RBI data. Switch auction below. RBI accepts 9,296 crore rupees out of 25,000 crore rupees notified due to yield gap. Corporate finance. Foxconn India rise. India's asset share rose to 10.8% in 2024, up from 2.6% in 2022. Air India revamp. Tata taps McKinsey post-crash, reviews Air India safety protocols. JLR margin held. FY26 EBIT margin cut to 5.7% amid EV transition, model revamp. Auto pay hikes rise. Auto firms lead with double-digit hikes, beating other sectors. Z raises to 237 crore. Preferential warrants to promoters approved to boost funding. Biocon QIP move. Biocon eyes 4,500 crore rupees via qualified institutional placement soon. International affairs. Modi visits Cyprus. PM's first Cyprus visit in 20+ years deepens EU-made ties. China nuke surge. China adds 100 nukes year, India expands arsenal cautiously. Tax and compliances. US tariff assurances. India seeks BTA clarity to avoid fresh US tariffs under Trump. EU green shift. India aligns policies with EU green trade norms for key exports. Investments and finance. Gift City push. Mutual funds enter Gift City to scale global retail expansion. EV cap fleet goal. IT firms aim 100% EV cabs by 2030, 5% in use now. Ultraviolet exports. F-77 bikes launched in Paris, targets 40 EU markets. Hiranandani DC bet. Plans 10,000 crore rupees investment for 307 megawatts data center. Natural diamond rebound. China's buyback scheme revives hopes for Indian exporters. Financial markets. Sensex hits 81,796. Sensex up 677 points, Nifty closes at 24,946 amid global rebound. Oil falls $1. Prices dip on Iran-Israel truce hope, Brent at $75 per barrel. D Street recovers. Markets rebound as West Asia tensions appear to ease. Gold tops 98,975 rupees. Gold up 314 rupee to 98,975 rupee per 10g, gains from safe haven demand. WPI 14-month low. Wholesale inflation dips to lowest since April 2024.